Today is a very special day, Bibi. You know very well that this school is not for everyone. You cannot begin to imagine what your dad and I had to do for you to get accepted.
I know, Mom. You already told me several times. No doubt. Alex is the best. That's what I want.
Hello? Hi! Do you want to play football with us?
Huh? I want to play football. That's what I really want.
Bibi, Neri, we need to talk. No, we're going to do the talking here.
Not only will she not go out again for a long time, but until we are sure our daughter is back to her senses, she is going to a boarding school. Keep this in mind, Alex. Bibi will never be one of yours.
What really matters now is, how are we gonna help our friend? Isn't it dangerous? A little bit, but I have a helmet. We need you there to win. But if we lose, we'll need you even more, baby.
I would never have made it this far without you. Are you coming?
To the end of the world.